NatWest Reward Black Credit Card Review. Watch before you apply. If you're considering the NatWest Reward Black Credit Card, let's dive into what it offers and who it's best for. This card was designed for individuals who frequently travel and want premium benefits that enhance their lifestyle while also rewarding everyday spending. First up, the Reward Black Credit Card gives you 1% cash back on supermarket purchases and 0.5% on all other spending, making it easy to earn rewards on your daily expenses. But the highlight here is the travel perks. It includes comprehensive travel insurance, covering trips abroad for you and your family, with additional perks like airport lounge access via Dragon Pass, which is especially valuable for frequent travelers. Another strong point is that this card offers worldwide acceptance, ideal for those traveling extensively for work or leisure. It comes with no foreign transaction fees on purchases, so you can use it globally without worrying about extra costs piling up, a feature that sets it apart from many other UK-based credit cards. You'll also benefit from the 24/7 concierge service, available to help with reservations, bookings, or even event access. However, keep in mind, this card does come with a £31 monthly fee, so it's not for everyone. If you don't spend enough to earn significant cashback or leverage the travel benefits, you might find that the fee outweighs the benefits. Additionally, eligibility for this card includes a relatively high credit requirement, and it's aimed at higher income individuals or those who already bank with NatWest or affiliated banks. Overall, if you're someone who travels frequently, dines out, and regularly makes purchases at supermarkets, this card might be worth it. You'll have access to premium travel benefits and useful cashback options that can offset the monthly fee if used smartly. On the other hand, if you're looking for a straightforward cashback card without high fees, this may not be the best choice for you. But for those who can fully leverage its perks, the NatWest Reward Black Credit Card can provide solid value. Make sure you weigh the pros and cons carefully before deciding to apply.